Hi guys, it's Saturday and it's another day, another vlog. So, finally, makakapag-rest din na tayo. Charot. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual. And aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales. And actually, we are waiting for our truck from Pandacan kasi nga nag-place tayo ng order. So, kailangan natin humabol ng target. So, we need one more truck para at least makatarget tayo for the whole quarter. So, first quarter I mean. So, anyway guys, that would be my agenda for today. And dyan lang muna kayo guys and mag-work lang din muna ako. So, anyway guys, after work, we decided again na magmerienda. So, ito talaga yung palagi naming activity every after work. So, we're planning na bumili ng nachos as usual and then bibili din kami ng fruit tea. So, ito talaga yung favorite food namin. So, as what you have noticed guys, on the way na kami papuntang proper para bumili ng favorite food namin. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys and bibili lang din muna kami. So, stay tuned guys.
Ginagawa mo.